Hi, now I'm gonna show you how to operate remotely. This is a website, and I will give you an account and also password that are attached with the machine. And for this moment, just for example, this is offline, but it's okay. We just put setting. And you can check maximum temperature, idle temperature, everything around here. You can just choose it. On-site humidity, everything, and save change if it like it. Alright, and then when you're back, okay, you can see that this address, basic time, the model, machine number, and also what is the rest. You can see that white sugar, red sugar, all of the sugar and water when you need to add some material. And you can shut it down, you can restart, and also you can view errors. For example, you can view errors. There's some errors, you can view it. Okay, let's go back. And the language will now change because of the name. We can change to any language. Also, this is English. The address is Chinese. That's how we can change to any language. That's all.